4.7 or 4.8 out of 5. No pool, bit of a miss for the kids. But Jurien Bay little cafe, it's like literally a minute and a half walk from our caravan. Made it well worth it because they make a really good cuppa cappuccino in the morning.
Where are we off to now? Kalbarri.
That lands will go over your wrist and it makes you stop getting passing.
Help me
Twice.
help me.
Yes.
I just lost my tooth. Here it is. Day 2